Rising sharply from the Atlantic, these cliffs have stood watch over the wild Donegal coast for thousands of years. This is Horn Head. Carved by time and storm, Horn Head forms part of the Great Slieve League and Donegal Bay coastline, a place where nature still speaks in whispers of wind and waves. The cliffs here soar over 180 meters above sea level, almost twice the height of the cliffs of Moher, but far less known and far less visited. To the north, the Atlantic stretches unbroken to Iceland. To the south, ancient peatlands roll across the land like dark waves of their own. Horn Head has a history older than memory. Neolithic people once walked these cliffs, leaving behind burial sites and megalithic tombs across the nearby hills. In the 19th century, these cliffs were used as a lookout for smugglers and ships, a perfect vantage point to see everything and nothing at all in the Atlantic fog. A Napoleonic watchtower still sits on the highest point, a relic of a time when Britain feared invasion from across the sea. And with the wind howling through the rocks, some locals still say the cliffs are haunted, that ghost ships have been seen sailing silently past in the mist. Seabirds nest in the rock faces here, razorbills, guillemots, and puffins darting from the spray with cries that echo across the void. The name Horn Head may come from the Norse, ancient Viking explorers who once landed here, naming the land for its shape and strength. Today, Horn Head remains wild, raw, and untamed, a place where Ireland shows its ancient bones and its fierce heart. Let it remind you, there are still places left on this earth where nature writes the story.